This procedure is going to make your printer able to print with cartridges and sys system without chip. The printer no longer asks for cartridges replacement. Ink levels will always display at 100%. Connect a USB cable to the USB port on the rear of the printer. Turn off the printer. To enter firmware update mode, press the button combination, cancel, bottom arrow, left arrow and power. Start firmware application. After the firmware is written successfully, to exit firmware update mode, press OK button. Start the activation software. Choose English. Activate online. Paste the activation key and click OK. The printer will start accepting any cartridge you put in, even cartridges without a chip.